What's going on, guys? Garrett here from Qore Performance, and welcome to our overview and instructional video for CATAMARAN Gen 3. Today we're going to go over origin and purpose, compatibility and function, design and features, what's in the box, and installation and integration. Let's get started. So why does CATAMARAN Gen 3 exist in the first place? The reason is because most traditional plate carriers on the market today lack internal Velcro loop fields, which means you can't integrate thermoregulation solutions like ICEPLATE and IMS Pro Gen 3 and ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons without sewing in your own internal Velcro loop fields. But that means that you can't take advantage of the thermoregulation benefits from ICEPLATE, that cooling, heating, and hydration, or ICEVENTS standoff ventilation and comfort padding. So the solution is CATAMARAN Gen 3, which provides a universal Velcro adapter panel so that you can add it onto any plate carrier on the market and take advantage of the thermoregulation benefits that are offered from ICEPLATE Curve and ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons, with no permanent modifications required to your plate carrier and no tools necessary to mount it. Let's move on to the next section, guys. So now we're going to move on to a basic overview of compatibility and function. So what does CATAMARAN Gen 3 do exactly? Well, it provides a Velcro loop field on the inside of your plate bags where there wasn't one before. If you have a traditional plate carrier that doesn't include Velcro loop fields on the internal plate bag, like what we have here, this JPC, all the way up to soft body armor vests. So CATAMARAN Gen 3 provides that Velcro loop field with no tools required for installation and no permanent modifications to your plate carrier. This allows you to mount products from Qore Performance like our ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons. They just Velcro right to the inside of your plate bag so that you can get that standoff ventilation and comfort padding. CATAMARAN Gen 3 also allows you to mount IMS Pro Gen 3 and therefore ICEPLATE to the inside of your plate bag so that you can get those thermoregulation benefits, that cooling, heating, and hydration that ICEPLATE provides. All you have to do is slap it on there just like that and you're ready to go. So now let's talk about design and features. So CATAMARAN Gen 3 is laser cut Velcro loop. It's designed to be a precision fit with ICEPLATE Curve or IMS Pro Gen 3. And a quick note on our ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons, you can actually now cut them in half and configure them in multiple different ways, however you prefer. Next up, CATAMARAN Gen 3 is ultralight. It weighs just 3 ounces and it requires no tools for installation. As I've said, you can just use the included straps or shock cord to install it on your plate carrier. And lastly, it is a universal fit. As I've said, it fits virtually any plate carrier or soft body armor vest. Let's move on to the next section, guys. All right, guys, let's talk about what comes in the box when you purchase your CATAMARAN Gen 3. So starting off, we have the CATAMARAN Gen 3 panel. That is your actual Velcro universal adapter panel. Then we have our laminate straps, elastic straps, 48 inches of shock cord, and Velcro straps. So you have 4 Velcro straps, 3 elastic straps, and 2 laminate straps, and then again that 48 inches of shock cord. Now if you order the CATAMARAN Gen 3 combo, you will receive a pair of ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons, and if you order 2 catamarans, you will receive 2 of everything you see here. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about installation and integration. So how to mount your CATAMARAN Gen 3 to virtually any plate carrier or soft body armor vest that lacks internal Velcro loop field using the various straps that are included. Let's get started. Now we're gonna talk about installation and integration, but before we get into that, I want to point out some of the things that might help you during the process of mounting your CATAMARAN Gen 3 to your plate carrier. Just some little nuances that you might find useful. So first of all, you can see these laser cut slits on the sides and the top, and you can't see them, but they're on the bottom as well for the C-clips here. So this on the side is a ladder system, which allows you to mount these C-clips at different ride heights depending on your preference, or if you're trying to avoid overlap with your cummerbund as well. So there's also those on the bottom here, which allows you to mount them at different points for your vertical security. And next up, we have these laser cut eyelets that you can see at various points on the CATAMARAN Gen 3, and also some hidden ones here on the back for extra security and retention. So now let's get into how to actually mount your CATAMARAN Gen 3 to your plate carrier. So we're gonna start off installation by placing our CATAMARAN Gen 3 panel on the plate bag, like so. And then for vertical security, we're gonna take our laminate straps and attach them here at the top, like so. Just weaving those C-clips between those slits on the catamaran itself. So just like that, and then we're gonna pop the plate bag up, open up this front flap on the JPC, and weave that strap into that molly, like so. And then reattach it back onto itself. So this will work on any carrier, not just the Qore Precision JPC 2.0. If you have a carry handle or any molly on the front or rear plate bag, this will work. It's a universal fit, like we've said. So you're just going to loop those straps between and reattach them to themselves. Do the same for the other strap. Okay. Now we're gonna close that flap there. And there you go. Now you have vertical security on one side for your CATAMARAN Gen 3. We're gonna get into the bottom side next. All right guys, now let's secure the bottom of your catamaran to your plate bag. So we do include 4 of these Velcro straps with your CATAMARAN Gen 3, but we found that 2 is sufficient for security there. So again, you have this ladder system here, which allows you to mount these at different places. I'm gonna go on to the outside here. So we begin by inserting the C-clips into these slits. There's one. Now we'll take your other one. There you go. Now those are secured to the catamaran. We're just gonna pop the plate bag open and attach these to the inside. Make sure they're nice and snug and tight. And there you go. Now you have total vertical security for your CATAMARAN Gen 3. All right guys, now for the last step, we're gonna get that horizontal security. So on this plate carrier in particular, and on the front plate bag of the JPC 2.0, we don't have any molly to secure the 2-inch elastic strap to, so we're gonna go ahead and use the 10-inch elastic strap and just attach that to the catamaran itself, and then weave it behind the placard and attach it again to the other side. So that's gonna look something like this. Again, you can adjust this to whatever ride height you desire. I'm gonna go right here. Now we're gonna flip this over. Open up that placard. Behind there. And then reattach to the other side of the catamaran. Now we're just going to close the placard over that, and you can see you've got horizontal security tucked behind the placard. Everything is completely flat and ready for mounting your pontoons, just like so. All right guys, so for mounting the 2-inch strap that is included, we recommend taking your plates out of your plate bag because that allows this to be a little bit more pliable and flexible. When you have some available molly directly on the other side of the plate carrier, like so, that's when to use these. The reason that we use the 10-inch strap on the front plate bag is because we didn't have access to that molly. So basically all you do is attach it to the catamaran itself and then to your desired point of attachment on the other side of your plate bag that has MOLLE to attach itself to. Okay, so now we're going to go over how to mount your Catamaran Gen 3 with shock cord. If you don't have any MOLLE and you can't use the elastic straps or the laminate straps with those C-clips, you can still use shock cord to mount your Catamaran Gen 3 to a soft body armor vest or a slick carrier, as long as it has shoulder straps. So to finally secure this setup, all you gotta do is wrap it around this shoulder and then tie off the knot like so. There you go. Now for this setup, we've got these two shoulders secured. You can cut and burn that remaining shock cord, and at the bottom here for that extra security, we've got these Velcro straps that come with your catamaran. So those are clipped in to the bottom here and then secured to the vest itself. And that's all you have to do. Now let's get into integration. So how do I run my Qore Performance products on my plate carrier? So first of all, this is a Qore Precision JPC. We've already got a Catamaran Gen 3 mounted to the rear plate bag of this plate carrier, and we're gonna show you how you can integrate your Qore Performance products with this plate carrier and with this setup. So first of all, if you want powerful cooling, heating, and hydration via thermoregulation on your back, you can mount IMS Pro Gen 3 with ICEPLATE Curve inside of it with this Catamaran Gen 3 panel. And you can also, if you don't need that powerful cooling, heating, hydration, you can mount your ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons also to the rear of your plate bag here, like so. You can also absolutely mount a Catamaran Gen 3 to your front plate bag and use ICEVENTS plate carrier ventilation pontoons here as well to provide that extra comfort padding and standoff ventilation. It's up to you how you want to configure this, how you prefer to run this, and depending on your mission set and what you need. Another neat thing that you guys can do with Catamaran Gen 3 is use it to mount your ice flask in a rear wing configuration for plate carriers that lack that internal Velcro loop. Catamaran Gen 3 allows you to still mount your ice flask in a rear wing configuration. So that's gonna do it for our Catamaran Gen 3 instructional video, guys. We hope you found this helpful and informative. Let us know if you have any additional questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay frosty.